Hi students, so this is the continuation video of the chapter division. Today we will learn to do division by 10 and its multiple. So division by 10, 100 and 1000. Now, first you have to know these rules. When you get division by 10, any number which we have to divide by 10, 100, 1000, you have to know these two rules. First rule is count the number of zeros in the divisor. Okay, now here is an example. Look at the example. 874 divide by 10. So I am dividing by 10 here. First, you need to count the number of zeros in the divisor. This is dividend, this is divisor. So how many zeros are there in divisor? There is 1 0. Okay, here there is 1 0. So you go on to the second rule. The same number of digits from the extreme right of the dividend will be the remainder. Now they are saying the same. Now you got 1 0 here. Same number of digits from the extreme right of the dividend. So this is dividend. The extreme right here is 4. So same number. So 1 digit. So here also 1 digit. Here it is 4. So this will be the remainder. This will be the remainder. 4 will be the remainder. And 87 will be the quotient. Now this was a shortcut way of doing division by 10. If you find if you do a long method, we'll try with the long method. We'll see what do we get. So you got this 10 8 is 80. 7. I bring down 4. 10 7s are 70. And what I get here? A remainder as 4. Got it? So quotient here is 87. Remainder here is 04. Quotient 87. Remainder 04. Alright, let's take one more example. Let's take 520 divide by 100. Now let's take divide by 100. Now first we have to count the number of zeros, okay, in the divisor. So there are 2 zeros, right? So same number of zeros from the extreme right of the dividend. So 1, 2. So this will become quotient or remainder. Correct. So it will become remainder. So quotient here is 5 and the remainder here is 20. Understood, students? Alright. Let's take one more example. 8,660 divide by 1,000. So first count the number of zeros. There are 3 zeros and 3 digits to the dividend. So this will become, the quotient will become 8 and the remainder will be 660. Alright, I hope you understood how to do division by 10, 100 and 1000. Let's learn how to do division by 2-digit number. I've taken exercise 4.4, question B, first one, 93 divided by 11. Let's solve it. If you see here, 11 is a 2-digit number. We have to see in 11 times table any number which is close to 93. So we get 11 8s are 88. And then we subtract. 13 minus 8 is 5. 8 minus 8 0. So we get quotient is equal to 8 and remainder is equal to 0, 5. Let's do the second one. (84) divided by 28. Now we have to see it. We do not know 28 times table, so we can multiply and see whether we are getting 84 in 28 times table. So 2 8s is 16. 2 2s are 4 plus 5 56. 28 3s are 8 3s are 24. 8 2s are 6 7 8 84. So we get 84 here. So 28 3s are is 84. We get 0. Now here the quotient is 3 and the remainder is 0. Let's solve the third sum. (92) divided by 41. We do not know 41 times table, so we have to check. 41 multiply by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So we are getting something closer to 92. Okay, so 41 2s are is 82 and I get 10 here. So the quotient here is 2 and the remainder is 10. Let's take the fifth sum. (3) 32 divided by 11. Watch carefully here. 11 3s is 33. 0 0. I bring down 2. Now 2 is smaller than 11. So 11 zeros are 0 and I subtract it. I get remainder as 2 and quotient as 30. Quotient 30, remainder 02. Let's solve the sixth sum. 240 divided by 18. Now we have to know 18 times table. So I have written 18 times table here. Okay. Let's solve this now. Now we have to see at this 2 digits. 24. So 18 2s are 36. So I write 18 1s are 18. 14 minus 8 is 6. 0. I bring down 0 here. Now which number is closer to the 60? It is 54. So 18 3s are is 54 and the quotient here, remainder here is 6. So the quotient is equal to 13 and the remainder is equal to 6. Let's solve question C. First one. 7183 divided by 46. So I have written 46 times table here. Okay, let's solve now. Now you know 46 and here I have to look at the 2 digit first. The divisor should be smaller than those 2 digits which we are looking for. Now 71. Now see in the 46 times table where we can find number closer to 71. So 46 1s are 46, 46 2s are is 92. So I have to use 46 1s are 46. 11 minus 6 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. Now I bring down 8 and we have to see which number is closer to 258. Here, can you tell me which number is closer? It is 230. So 46 5s are is 230. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Next, I bring down 3 now. Again, we have to see which number is closer here. It is 276. So, 46, 6 is 276 and subtract it. 13 minus 6 is 7. 7 minus 7 is 0, 0. Now, the quotient here is 156 and the remainder here is 0, 7. Second one. 2903 divided by 27. So I have written the 27 times table here. So let's solve it. Now 29. So 27 1s is 27. Subtract it. I get 2. Bring down 20. Now again 20 is smaller than 27. So 27 zeros are 0. I get 20. Okay, now I can bring 3. So I bring down 3 here. So I got 203. Now look at this table and tell me which number is closer. It is 189. So 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7s are. So 27 7s are is 189 and I subtract it. So this becomes 19 and this one. So 13 minus 9 is 4. 9 minus 8 is 1. 1 minus 1 0. So I get 14 here. So the quotient here is 107 and the remainder here is 14. Let's solve the third sum. Now children, it becomes easier if you write the table, okay, in the rough column. Now here it is 38. So I have written 38 times table in the rough column. Now let's solve it. "38 ones is 38. 38 twos is 76. So I will write 38 ones are 38. So 17 minus 8 is 9. 5 minus 3 is 2. Now it is 29. So I have to bring 9. So this becomes 299. I have to get one number, right? One digit I have to get now. So I got it. So it becomes 299. Now I have to see which number is closer here. It is 266. 2s are, 3s are, 4s are, 5s are, 6s are, 7s are. So 38 7s are is 266. This becomes 33. Then I bring down 2. Now I have to see which number is closer. It is 307. So 38 8s are is 304. Now let's subtract it. So this becomes 12 minus 4 is 8, 2 and 0. So here the quotient is 178 and the remainder is 28. Let's solve the fourth sum. Let's solve the fourth sum. 4560 divided by 15. I'm sure you know 15 times table. Students, please learn tables up till 20 at least. Alright, now let's solve this. Now, 15 3s are is 45. So this is 0. I bring down 6. Now if you see here, 6 is smaller than 15. So 15 zeros are 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. Now I bring down 0. It becomes 60. Now 15 4s are is 60 and the remainder is 0. So here the quotient is 304 and the remainder is 0. Let's solve the fifth sum. 603 divided by 31. Now 31, here if you see we have to take this two digits here, that is 60. So here it is 62. So I take 31, ones are 31 and then subtract it. So 10 minus 1 is 9, 5 minus 3 is 2. Now I bring down this 0 here. Now I got 290. So I have to see 31 times table where which number is closer to 290. It is 279. So 31 9s are is 279 and I subtract it. This becomes 8. So 10 minus 9 is 1. 8 minus 7 1 and this is 0. Now I bring down 3. So I got 113. Now I have to see which number is closer. That is 93 here. So 31 3s are is 93. 3 minus 3 is 0. And here 11 minus 9 is 2. So I get quotient is equal to 193 and the remainder is equal to 20. Students, with this I finish my class for today. Okay, I'll be sending you all the homework on WhatsApp. So take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.